Hey there, and a massive welcome to Jesse Kane and your entire group. Welcome to this exclusive explainer where we are going to dive into every spectacular detail of your upcoming 8-day premium Brazilian adventure. I am absolutely thrilled to walk you through your custom itinerary today. We're going to map out all the stunning landscapes, the mouth-watering culinary moments, and those deeply immersive cultural experiences that are just waiting for you. Now, this high-comfort journey has been meticulously crafted by the amazing experts at Redwood Viagens. If you want a sneak peek, you can check out their work at redwoodviagens.com.br or on Insta at redwood.viagens. Their whole philosophy is about giving you this unparalleled blend of vibrant nature, rich culture, and premium gastronomy, all while keeping everything totally secure and stress-free for you. So here is the roadmap for our time together. We've got the marvelous city journey, the preserved island paradise, colonial Paraty and its heritage gastronomy, a detour into waterfalls and the Atlantic forest, and finally, a wrap-up of your Redwood Viagens experience. All right, let's jump straight into Act 1, the marvelous city journey. Your first 3 days are engineered to give you the perfect mix of iconic sightseeing and, high-end relaxation. Right off the bat, when you land at Galeon International Airport, your private bilingual driver is going to whisk you straight to your premium Copacabana or Ipanema apartment. You drop your bags, unwind, and then the adventure kicks off with a classic Rio sunset from a cable car going up Sugarloaf Mountain. And for your very first evening, well, we want to set the standard for the whole trip. We're talking a welcome dinner at Opera Zivil, right in the charming Santa Teresa neighborhood. By locking down that veranda table way in advance, you're guaranteed to enjoy sophisticated Brazilian gastronomy paired with an absolutely breathtaking sunset view over the illuminated city. It is literally picture perfect. Moving on to day 2, we've set up something really special, an exclusive private visit to Christ the Redeemer. We've got you booked for the very first time slot of the day, arriving by private van or train. Why? Because seeing a wonder of the world before the heavy crowds roll in means you get the serene, magical experience. Plus, you get the absolute best photos, hands down. Later that day, you'll experience a stunning contrast. Imagine going from a lunch in the historical center at Confiteria Colombo, which is this breathtaking 19th century Belle Epoque masterpiece, straight into modern luxury that evening. You'll head over to the ultra-trendy Le Blon neighborhood to dine at spots like Oro or CT Boucher. It's a true taste of Rio's high-end culinary lifestyle. Then, on day 3, you start with a private tour through the Botanical Garden and Parque Lage, ending with a sophisticated brunch right beneath the Tijuca rainforest canopy. Fast forward past a relaxing afternoon on Ipanema Beach, and your evening is going to be epic. To wrap up Rio, we selected Rio Cenarium in the Lapa district. It's this massive, multi-level venue filled with antiques, incredible local food, and live samba. It's exactly the secure, authentic environment you want to really feel the energy of Rio's nightlife. Okay, Act 2, the preserved island paradise. You're going to love how seamless this transition out of the city is. After checking out of your Rio apartment, a private transfer takes you on a gorgeous 2.5-hour drive down the Costa Verde. From there, you just hop onto an exclusive private speedboat, a flexboat, reserved just for your group. You'll zip across the water straight to Vila do Abrão, checking right into your premium beachfront villa. You'll literally step out with your feet right in the sand. Now, because there are no cars on this island, your evenings are all about relaxed strolls through the village. You'll have an amazing seafood dinner at Dom Mario on your first night. But your second night, that's when you try peixe com banana. It's a famous regional dish made of fresh fish cooked with green bananas, and you'll eat it right on the beach at the Lua e Mar restaurant. It is a game changer. But before you get to that dinner, day 5 is dedicated to wild nature. You'll take a private boat ride over to Poço Beach, followed by a light, guided 20-minute trek through the tropical rainforest. And the payoff? The powdery white sands of Lopes Mendes Beach. It is consistently voted as one of the most beautiful beaches in the entire world, and you get the whole afternoon to just unwind there. Moving right along to Act 3, colonial Paraty and heritage gastronomy. So after a quick private speedboat ride back to the mainland and a scenic hour-and-a-half drive, you'll arrive at a luxury house right in Paraty's historical center. You'll grab an unbelievable local caixara gastronomy lunch at Banana de Terra. Then you embark on a private bilingual walking tour with a local historian. Walking those cobblestone streets and hearing the gold rush history completely transforms how you experience the city. And for day 7, we are turning the luxury dial up to 11. You're boarding a private luxury schooner to navigate the incredibly calm emerald waters of Paraty Bay. You'll have these exclusive stops for world-class swimming and snorkeling at Praia Vermelha, Ilha Comprida, and Saco da Vila. For lunch, take your pick. A gourmet meal prepared by a chef right there on the boat, or dining at the exclusive Kontiki restaurant located on its very own private island. Next up, Act 4, Waterfalls and the Atlantic Forest. This is your final full day, and it is the absolute perfect mashup of thrilling adventure and rich heritage. First, you'll take a private 4x4 Jeep tour right up the Bocaina Mountains to visit the stunning Tobogán and Poço de Tarzan waterfalls. After working up an appetite, you'll shift gears for lunch at the Alambique Engenho Douro restaurant. And the best part? That's followed by a guided tasting of Paraty's award-winning artisanal cachaça. It's such a cool way to experience Brazil's historic distillation process and its incredible biodiversity. Finally, Act 5, your Redwood Viagens experience. As you look over this whole itinerary, the main takeaway is that you do not have to stress over a single logistic. Every detail, from your private bilingual guides and drivers to your hand-picked apartments and island villas, has been meticulously engineered for your ultimate comfort. Your dining is locked in at the finest spots, and every bit of transit is tailored specifically to provide total security and ease for your group. So with your custom itinerary mapped out and all these incredible experiences waiting, the only question left is, Jessie Cannon Group, are you ready to discover how these ancient gold trails, preserved island ecosystems, and culinary masterpieces will permanently redefine your idea of luxury? We really hope this explainer has you counting down the days. Safe travels and enjoy absolutely every second of Brazil.